everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to be taking you through the Groop platform and the specific areas in a little more detail. The area that we're going to be looking at today is the My Dependents area. If I go ahead and go to that section of the platform now, the My Dependents section is the area of the platform where I actually have the ability to log in as a different user, a different member, someone who has no access to the platform or isn't actually able to log in. So for instance, we don't allow children under the age of 13 to gain access to the platform, but it might be that you're running an under 12s football coaching session at the weekend and you need to actually know whether the users are going to be coming along. Now, as a dependent, I actually can log in on behalf of the user. Will Smith at the top here has no email and is on the right hand side not active under state, but I can actually log in on his behalf and respond to any invites, invoices that I might need to actually respond to on his behalf. I can also use the My Group chat feature to actually comment and respond on his behalf against other users and members on the platform. The way that I can do that is head to the My Events section, and if the user does have any events against their name, I can actually respond to say whether they're going, they're not going, or if they're undecided, and I can actually do this on their behalf, so it looks like it's Will who has responded here. And again, if I do have any areas or invoices in the My Group Pay section, I can pay the invoice on his behalf as well. Even though Will is 13, it enables me to actually keep a track of all the invoices that he's paid, and it also shows that it's him paying the invoice even though it's myself. What I can do is then go ahead and log out of the user, and it then takes me back to my original area that I was in, and I can then obviously go back into the dependent section and choose a different dependent if I so wish. That has been the dependents section. If you do have any more questions regarding the dependents, feel free to leave it down in the comments below and we'll be more than happy to get back to you. Thank you. Bye bye.